pushing you away while I want you to stay. I'm lacing cold as ice, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. You better not just say.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ade and you're watching She Slay TV. The wig that I'm about to review was sent to me from divatress.com. I will leave a link below in the description to exactly where you can order this unit from. But once again, it was sent to me from divatress.com and the name of this unit is Bobbi Boss MLF-319 Aubrey. And here she is. I have her in the color 1. She's really long. She looks to be about 30 inches. And she is Swiss lace. I already cut mine off, but it's ear to ear Swiss lace. The parting space is pretty deep. It's 4.5 inches, I believe. I do believe it could use a little bit of plucking, but I'm going to show you guys all of that. I just at least wanted to show you how yours is going to look once you receive it. But I will definitely do, not a must, but I think you should definitely at least add some pressed powder and do a little bit plucking in the front. I do see some baby hairs, so yes, it do come with baby hairs. It do have combs in the front as well as in the back and adjustable straps. The texture is silky. I've had mine for about 2 weeks, and as you wear it, it do get a bit light yucky. It's a really long unit, so you will experience minimum tangling. It's hard to find a long unit that can withstand like what you do when you go out and the wind blows and stuff like that. So this one I do have to admit and say this is really good. Who knows, it could be because of the color that I got it in. I got it in a natural color. So it's really holding up really good. And let me see. So I'm about to pretty much throw this unit on. And so y'all can see how it looks on me. I just want to make sure I didn't forget anything else. Oh yeah, shedding. I really didn't experience shedding with this one. I at least thought that I was because it's a synthetic unit and it's long. But like I said, I feel like this is really a good one. So like I said, I had mine for a while. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So let me throw it on. Let me style it. Thank you once again for clicking this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. You can go ahead and comment, leave me a question, or if you already have this unit, let me know what you think about it. And once again, like I said, this came from divatress.com. So if you're interested, I will leave a link below to where you can purchase this unit. anyway, this unit is a center part. Y'all know how I'm used to shifting the wigs over. You can do that with a lot of wigs. So when it comes down to this one, I wouldn't be doing that because this right here, these bangs are different from the entire rest of the wig. Like this is like wavy, and then here comes these bangs. And I just feel like once you shift it, it's not gonna look as gorgeous. I just don't feel like it is. I feel like this is like, seriously, keep it in the center. And if you don't want it centered, do not buy it. But a lot of people like a really, really good center part wig, and this is it, y'all. This is the center part unit to get. Okay, y'all, this is my end result. All I did was added some concealer to my part and lay down some of the baby hairs that it came with. And pretty much this is it, y'all. It's really long, like I said earlier. About it's a little past 30 inches actually, but the texture is really good. Like I said, it's a silky texture, and this could easily look like bundles that you sewed and made your own little wig. That's actually what it looked like. I made a wig just like this not too long ago. Anyway, you already know that's my kids in the background having fun. Anyway, thank you, Diva Trust, for sending me this unit. I absolutely love it. And you guys, please check out their website. They always have great deals going on, a lot of promos, but you gotta go on there and check it out. I will also leave a link below straight to this gorgeous unit. And thank you once again for watching. Go ahead and comment below. Let me know what you think.